the wireless LAN antenna cables into the routing channel beside the right hinge. Reconnect the wireless LAN antenna cables to the wireless LAN module. Connect the reserved I/O board wide ribbon cable to the ZIF connector on the bottom of the system board and push the locking bar down to secure the cable. Turn the system board around. And tow the external connectors on the left edge of the system board into the cutouts in the top cover. And lower the system board onto its alignment pins. Caution. To avoid damage, ensure that all cables are free from being pinched between the system board and top cover. Connect the I/O board's wide ribbon cable to its Important. After a system board replacement, be sure to complete post-installation tasks as required. That may include verifying functionality of the notebook, updating the BIOS, updating DMI and other settings. How to replace the speaker assembly. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, and system board. Remove the display panel cable from the routing channel along the left speaker. Remove the two P00 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the left speaker to the top cover. Lift the left speaker off of its screw well to the top. Disconnect the USB board ribbon cable from its connector on the system board and remove it from its adhesive on the top cover. Remove the P1 Phillips head screw that secures the USB board to the top cover. Carefully lift up and remove the USB board from the top cover. Turn the USB board over and remove the tape that covers the USB board ribbon cable on the USB board, setting it aside for later replacement. Disconnect the USB board ribbon cable from its connector on the USB board and set it aside for later replacement. Replacement.